All right, guys, I'm watching Amazon at that 2. Let's just see what it does here. I'm just gonna keep up. We gotta keep a general look here. I'm gonna watch your stream as we're going. So that's beautiful. Appreciate you putting that stream on there.
I just popped $280 at the open.
Because of options?
Y'all, just in general, my whole portfolio just dropped 280 bucks.
Don't worry about that. It's okay. I should show you some of the red days I have when the market tanks. What happened to the live stream? Oh, here we go. Hey, did you lose the live stream? I'm just making sure it's like you didn't lose it.
No, I got it playing.
Okay, I'm just making sure because it's like weird. It's like I don't see you guys, but I guess maybe it just transfers over. I don't know how that works because I just clicked the button. It's supposed to switch it over for us. AMD's pulling back a little bit. We got 224 pulling back 222. Just watching that still. Amazon stock needs to pull back. I need to see a little bit more of a pullback here. We're going to be interested. Remember, it bounced to that 212 yesterday. So if we do get lucky and get a pullback there, that's interesting.
I'll show you what I found the other day. Look at this.
Jaeyoung, did you send the Discord to the WAP so everybody knows?
Yeah, it's in the thing. I'll put it in there.
Okay, I'm just making sure. I just want to make sure they all got it.
You know they ain't gonna get in there.
I know. But you know what? I want to make sure that they know it's there. You know what I mean? Because they're members. They deserve to be in. And the more the better. The more eyes, the easier it is with trading. See, open, I'm going to still wait. BMR is pulling back a little bit, $53. Bank of America pulled back, but popped right away.
You can see my screen, right?
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Sweet. Okay. Let me see if I can make this bigger. Here we go. I'm trying to make just yours.
Or can you only see the Discord?
I can only see, like, I see, like, your screen showing BitMine. I just see your chart, which is perfect.
You can see YouTube.
Okay, yeah, now I see the whole thing. Yeah, we're good.
This is what I was talking about right here.
Oh, trade ideas. Oh, yeah, let me talk to you. So I was talking to Gemini, and Gemini was bringing up, they're like an affiliate program. So you know, like when people join, they get $75, you get $75, they got to spend $100. So they were just bringing up, I was emailing them asking like, hey, like, what's this about? And they were like, well, you can join ours and you'll still get the $75, but the people that join only need to spend $10 for you to get the 75 and they get the 75. So I just apparently have to create an account. I got to look more into it. I thought they were just going to send me a referral link. Now they're telling me I got to go on some website or some shit. Look at Dutch Bros going to the moon. Yeah, we gotta.
They gotta get paid.
Dude, they're making a lot of money off of this. I'm telling you, just making that scanner alone is the way to go.
He said I'm in the bed watching. Can't join the Discord. My son's sleeping.
His son's sleeping in the bed with him, I guess.
Must be a newborn.
It's got to be a newborn. Got to be a young baby. Good for him.
Bro, BBAI been running.
Yeah? BBI is a beast. It's another one. That's why it cracks me up, bro. Like I listen, I watch other people's YouTube channels to see, and some of them just look so fake, and they're charging like $400 for a class. It's all bullshit. It's all fugazi. I'm like, at least I know that my YouTube channel is legit. It's actually real freaking money. People like they're just trying to steal money from people. It's crazy.
Let's see what. Yeah, I'm up 38% on the year.
Nice. Yeah, but you got to make sure, is that unrealized? Because then it can turn. Just be cautious. Any of these pennies actually moving, or are they all just dying? Because these look like aftermath. Let's check out some of these. You got Coot. Coot! Oh, Coot's moving. Look at that. Coot is moving.
I was looking at it earlier too.
It's hard though because you're getting 50 stocks. It's like which one you gonna pick. You know what I mean?
I usually filter it for the when I'm on Fidelity. I filter for the most recent or the most active.
This man gonna get me the torch. I'm gonna try to start scalping this bad boy. Because nothing else is moving right now. Still waiting for Amazon to pull back. Watching that Coot. COOT, Australian Oil Seeds Holdings. That's what we're trading now. We're trading the Australian oil seeds.
See, look, you want to do that? That's what it is without the after hours.
What is that?
This is Coot.
Oh, that's cute.
You got to turn on the extended hours to see the rest of it.
I see. We like halts. Nvidia selling off a little bit, 182. I just find it so hard to trade Nvidia at $180 per share. It looks like, I'm looking at Amazon, I'm looking back at Amazon. Amazon looks like it's starting to pull back again.
I should have got in.
Which one?
I saw that right here. I should have just bought right here and just rolled it up.
That's alright. You got to play on Amazon coming. Look at that bear flag forming on Amazon. Can we make lower lows? Come on, Amazon. Break. Break, baby. Break.
You be on the 1 hour?
This is the 1 minute right now. I use the 1 minute and the 5 minute, but I also, I quickly switch between like a 1 month, 3 month. I check the levels. I double, triple check them, make sure I'm at the levels that I want. But
See, yeah, I like the 1 hour. But that's just because I be doing limit orders.
I see.
Yeah, see with this right here, I would have did a limit order right here.
You got
15.
You got to do limit orders, man. Don't do market orders if you're trading these pennies. You can get screwed with your fills.
No, this is Amazon.
Oh,
If
yeah.
I was to do Amazon right here, if I was to do Amazon, I would have did a limit order right here at 215.
Yeah, that's fair.
I may start doing that. Just do like $500. Boom, put a limit order in and then sell it. Just go from here to here. Hold on. Where's my... Just do that right there.
Well, if we're both watching it, you'll know if something's pulling back. You know what I mean?
VAX. And SDOT.
Turn it off.
And UA.
Tell me you ain't got time for that. You know what I realized? I guess this. I got no indicators. I got no indicators in this Webull. I guess it reset or something. I like to have at least RSI on this thing. There we go. Wow.
VAX.
Yeah, so NVIDIA trading back 181.50. I would love to see, but I think it already pulled back to there. Let me see. Yeah, it did. Like at 181.90.
And SDOT.
But it's rejecting that. It's rejecting the EMA right now.
LG. And
Let me
SMU.
switch this EMA to
And SPRC.
9.
UAM1. VER up.
SMU. YTKG may resume in less than a minute.
VAX.
VERI.
And SVOT. IBG. And SMUP.
SMUP.
And SMU.
NKLR.
Amazon, I got alert set for a 216 break. Just want to see if we get it a little later.
UAM1.
What is 216.3 right here?
Yeah.
VER up.
I just have the alert set. Amazon likes to fake people out like this. It's a tricky stock.
SOGP.
It's really a tricky stock to trade.
VERI. SMU.
IBG.
APLM may rest 10
SMUP.
seconds. SMUP.
And SMU.
YTKG may rest in 10 seconds. EVAX.
Hold on, which one? Which one is resuming? Why TMZ? It said.
Oh, I wasn't even paying attention.
That's fine.
ELBM. And SOGP.
See, I can't even see the chat for our live chat. I don't even know if anybody's in our live chat. Is it just us?
FOSL.
There's nobody in there?
I don't know. I can't tell because when I restarted it, it like looked really weird.
Hold on.
I can't tell because when I restarted it.
YTKG halted down.
QBTZ.
It don't look like nobody's in here.
QBTZ.
Nah, that's fine.
ELBM.
Yeah, ain't nobody.
Ain't no feelings lost.
MIGI. SMU. VERI.
You know, I gotta give you the down.
SOGP.
Oh, he's in Bros. You gotta tell us you're in Bros, man.
Who?
Nah, the our member. He's in Marcus. He's in Bros. I didn't know that. I would have been looking at Bros for you.
Is he in here?
Yeah, oh yeah, he's in the YouTube channel. Well, he's in the YouTube chat. Beautiful. He's buying puts. He's buying puts on that bitch.
MIGI.
And STI.
Yeah, this is what I was looking at on Bros.
And SOGP.
FOSL.
I don't blame him. I mean, Bros ran up. It makes sense.
I need to get better at using this 8 EMA. I'll only focus on the 20.
Yeah, well, the ADMA is more like you're getting like accurate of what's happening in the short term. That's how I look at it, and I like that.
GNP.
Yeah, see, I like the 20 EMA and the 1 hour. Is what I usually be on.
LGO. BTDR.
And STI.
And see, this is what I saw when I was looking at Bros. I was like, all right, bet.
QBTZ.
USARW.
IONZ.
See, this is what I saw.
I see.
VERI.
And SDOT.
So yeah, as soon as I saw this the other day, right here, boom, I put in a call on Bros.
That must have pumped.
LGO.
CSA.
And then I'm up, let me see, Bros right now, we are up
USARW.
63%.
Nice.
SDT.
GNPX.
We got it until December.
GNPX.
So you have a knack for holding your gains, which is pretty impressive. It's very difficult to hold the gains sometimes.
Yeah, I just buy the time, bro. Like my gold, I got it till March. I'm up 167%, $3,000.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Sell.
Nvidia's popping at this 182. Definitely keep an eye on this. It's breaking above the 9 EMA.
STI.
GNPX.
COOT.
THM.
Holy shit, gold is moving.
I know. That's what's like a little scary about it, you know? Gold keeps just going to the moon.
Hey, I'm gonna keep.
QBTZ.
I'm just mad I didn't buy two. Only bought one contract. But it also cost me
GNPX.
basically $1,800 for this contract.
COOT.
Yeah, ASML holding up everybody with those earnings.
EBAX may resume in less than a minute. APLM may resume in less than a minute.
They didn't do it. I thought they didn't do it already.
No, they did.
DR.
Yep, they sure did. Cause now I see BMNR turned around,
NVTX.
VTS.
SPLG turned around.
RGTZ.
Ooh, rejection on Nvidia. You see that? Look at that. Look at that fucking red candle coming in. This should go lower here. 182.5. If we break this one, come on, break this low. I want to see 180 on Nvidia. That's what I've been waiting for. You can see you have 179 to 180. I'm gonna scalp that once it gets to there, if we can get there. I'm just trying to be patient on this bitch. Looking at the 1 minute, it's already down the RSI, but
NVTX.
let's just see. Let's give it time. If I miss the trade, I miss the trade. I'm okay with it. I just want to. I'm trying to be safer with Nvidia because it's so expensive already. It's got to break this 181.6. If it breaks that low, that'd be nice. I would love to see this flush down.
ELBM. RKDA. SOAR.
Let me just see what the let me go on ChatGPT and see what was ASML earnings snapshot
VTS.
today.
YTKG may res in 10 seconds.
Eric, look at that. Look at that, baby. Selling off.
SOGP.
ELBM.
ASML.
MIGI.
Damn, bro, I didn't realize this was so high.
SOAR. SOGP.
What?
ASML. Was this the right one? This is $1,000 for ASML?
Yeah, it's so expensive. So expensive.
PFAI.
RGTZ.
I thought about getting it because I'm like, bro, last time I paid it, and they said something, the whole market just
YTKG halted.
died.
They
SOA.
died?
DOT halted. MIGI.
They
LB.
gap right here.
EBAX. PFAI.
FOSL.
GNPX.
Nvidia's coming down. 181, boys. 181.
PFAI. SOGP. FLNC. RGTZ.
SOGP.
Nvidia right now, boys. I just scalped them. I was getting scalp entries there. We're up 223.
EBAX.
I think this is a potential play to go long though, but just be careful. Looking at the RSI right now, we are rejecting the 9 EMA, but we got that support from the 2 days ago, so something to definitely look into. We're up 223 on them right now. It's trading that whole dollar, half dollar level. That's what I'm doing. So I'm, for those Marcus, you're new to like seeing me trade.
EBAX.
I am rocking this, just trading this whole dollar, half dollar level. I know we're rejecting, but we're going to get support here. Looking at this 5 day, you can see boom, 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 shakalaka. We got support right there. Now, if it goes down to 181 again, we'll be cautious. We'll see. Ah, 50 cents.
SPRI.
Walmart's blowing up too. You see Walmart? 108.
They signed that deal with OpenAI.
God damn.
PFAI. RGTZ.
We like weeklies too. We do weeklies in the WAP, but right now I'm just scalping shares.
STI resume in less than a minute.
Nike starting to pop too. Nike finally showing signs of life. That's another stock that my YouTube portfolio is not really liking that much.
BERI.
CRMLW.
All right, so
SPRC.
Nvidia is testing this 9 EMA. It's getting above it.
Oh, you said you're on the 1 minute, ain't you?
Yeah, I was trading the 1 minute on that. I was just scalping it.
GNPX.
GNPX.
ETBL. CRMLW.
STI reservoir seconds.
IBG.
Did Amazon ever pull back? That bastard. It's making me scalp Nvidia instead.
APL may resume in less than a minute. BTS.
Nope, it didn't.
AMDL.
AMD is a monster. Wow. Almost 230.
OSEW. ETBL. CRMLW. AMPX. WS.
AMPX.
What's the high
SMU.
on them?
SMU. LITM. GNPX. ELBM.
SUUN.
ETBL.
APLM may
What is it?
represent
Gen,
10
was it Zen Gen or whatever? What's that thing? Zook?
NUK.
YDKG may resume in less than a minute.
CRMLW.
SDOT may resume in less than a minute.
SMU. LITM. GNPX. CRML.
Yeah, look, people are still talking about Coot. Be like, oh, is it going to fade all day?
FOS.
It might be the back half of the move for Coot.
CRMLW. FOSL.
SPRC. MOB. HOND.
LITM.
Look like this.
GNPX. AQMS. SPRC.
YDKG may res in 10 seconds. SDOT may res in 10 seconds.
Can you see what I'm doing?
Yeah, it's your screen.
EOSEW. SOGP. QBTZ.
I'm trying to see what stock is blowing up in the Zen thing.
SPRC.
LITM.
HOND.
CRMLW.
QBTZ.
AQMS. SPRC. GNPX. DFLI. QBTZ.
GNPX. SYDKG halted down.
SDOT.
SPRC. LGO. SMR. SMUP.
SPRC. AQMS. GNPX.
MOB.
SLNHP. DFLI.
It's kind of like that. Yeah, so ASML earnings reported. I'm going to put this in the WAP.
FMU.
Not bad.
SMR.
SDOT.
SMUP.
SPRC. AQMS. GNPX.
Dutch Bros to the moon. I be like, this nigga be screaming.
ELBM. WWR. NVT hex. SDOT.
Yeah, the other day I was gonna
GNP hex.
open the comments on the Discord.
What do you mean? Like for people to comment?
Yeah.
Well, the thing is,
Everybody,
what did you
they
say?
probably didn't figure it out. They was like, shit, we can't do nothing but look at it. There's 13 people in there, but
WR. SOG.
Yeah, the problem is, right? You're gonna get bots, right? And then they're trying to steal money and shit. It's annoying, right?
MS. NVT hex.
SMU. SMR.
Is that what it was?
SES.
yeah, because it was talking about somebody was messaging them.
STEM.
Oh yeah, let me send this because I want this guy.
SGP.
NVTS.
AQMS. ELBM. NVT hex.
STI may resin 10 seconds. SES.
SEED.
APLM may resume in less than a minute.
I want this guy Marcus to see this. Ain't no bull. Look at this. We got last business day. I want him to see the gains.
SOGP.
He's questioning my day trading, so we gotta send him the proof.
IPG.
SMU.
STI. SEED.
SMUP. NVTS.
RKDA.
LGO. APLM may res in 10 seconds. SES.
You think I should turn on the so they can send messages in the thread?
My only question is, are you gonna keep getting that that BS? Are you gonna get more bots? That's the only thing, you know. Is it gonna mess with the bots?
I'm gonna turn it on the threads. I'll turn it on until Friday, and if it do stupid, I'll turn it back off.
SMU.
Cause this one just allows them to comment in the actual chat, not send messages.
ELBM. SAN.
Okay. Oh yeah, so as long as like you think that it's not gonna, like, you remember last time with all the damn bots? That was terrible. I understand. I mean, if I joined a Discord for the first time, I'd want to be able to send a message. So I think that makes perfect sense. You know, I'm not against it at all. You know.
IPG.
SMU. LGO.
So I feel like what you're saying is absolutely fair. You know, you might as well have that. You know.
NVTS. SMR.
SANA.
I thought this was members only. It's weird. It's saying switch it now. It is members only.
STEM.
Something's weird with the YouTube live. I believe it's members only. I mean, we only have 3 guys in here, and it's all members, so it's got to be, you know.
LGO.
Guys, if Nvidia, this is risky, but I just really not really seeing opportunities here. I'm waiting for Amazon to pull back. Amazon's just stuttering here. Nvidia, I'm probably gonna scalp this if it comes back down to 181.6. Now this is quick. I'm going in like for 20-30 cents. I'm not going crazy here, so I don't recommend this trade. But this is me. I'm up 260 right now. I need more gains. This is how you get losses, boys. You overtrade.
IPG.
This is how you lose.
Is Marcus commented in the thing?
Marcus is chatting on the YouTube. I actually sent him on the WAP. You see what I sent through the WAP?
Yeah.
I posted the gains, yesterday's gains, the year to date. Just as a Marcus for you, here's the proof.
GNP hex.
MOB. APLD.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
LGO.
You see that portfolio I sent you with the on top of SCHD, DIA,
RKD.
and SPSM, the small cap Dow Jones plus the dividends?
Yeah.
So I was really doing the math on it. I sent that portfolio to everybody. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add the other gains for that retirement portfolio. Because now I just moved a ton of money over. I think I'm going to use those gains to buy a little bit of the F-Tech and a little bit of international with it as well, and then add to the existing positions. I mean, that's just a strict long-term portfolio. Just let it grow.
Yeah, see this.
RKDA.
I need more money to do this shit you doing.
RKDA.
Right.
'Cause how many shares or how much did you put into Nvidia?
NVIDIA, I was doing 1,000 at a time.
GXX.
$1,000?
No, 500 shares at a time. So that's a lot more than $1,000. Let's see, that's probably 70K a position.
Yeah, see, I ain't doing that.
But that's why I tell you, just got to do the. You just rock the. You either rock the options, or you don't trade Nvidia, but you do what Marcus just did, and you trade NVTS. So look on my YouTube channel real quick. You just trade Nvidia. Boom, right there.
A PLM may resume in less than a minute.
I mean, they have like 2 times leverage stocks. That's what Oz was doing when he was trading UNH. You know, he was trading the 2 times leverage, which is like a lot cheaper than what I was doing.
Less than a minute.
Yeah, but whatever I do, right? What I'm doing is, like, say for instance, you got Nvidia. If I buy Nvidia, I don't mind them 2-time leverage ones. I'm not holding it cheap.
SMU.
No, you can't. You don't want to hold them. You don't want to hold them.
SCS.
Holding them is where you get smoked. Because the decay over time when you trade these double leverage, you got to be careful with that. You know what I mean?
I'm about to get my 60,
PLM may resume.
get my 64 cent out of 68 cent out of Nvidia.
VERF. QSI.
Hey, that might get you a bubblegum chew or something, you know?
Look, I bought it at 181. I bought it at 181.12. I got it right here. I bought it right there. As soon as I saw that, boom.
That's it, baby. But the whole thing is, even if you're trading a small amount of shares, that's the big thing. Everybody knows in the WAP, everybody knows in the YouTube channel that I trade with a large amount of shares. But it's still going to help you by trading the levels. You're going to understand how the stock moves, and you're going to be able to either trade options on it, or you're going to be able to make moves based on that. Or you can trade the smaller 2 times leverage of UNH or Nvidia or Amazon, where it's less to cost per share. So either way, it's still going to help you. You know what I mean? Like, you need to get that. Like, that's going to help you make those decisions.
You know I'll do Tesla. It's just I don't be on my computer.
Like, you have TSLL for Tesla, right? I mean, so it's just something to think about. What'd you say?
I say, remember, I was scalping that one.
100%. And imagine you just held the damn thing. Look at it. Look at it now. Look at TSL now. It's freaking ridiculous. $19 per share. And you were scalping at 11.12. I mean, you would have doubled your money, you know? And you saw me. I know you said, oh, I remember when I was buying shares at 220 on Tesla, and you were like, it's too expensive. I only put, in the YouTube portfolio, I only put $5,000 into it. That's not even a big position for me, but it's a long-term hold, and it's up. You know, like, it's up. It's up at 4,900 right now. I'm going to post it to the chat so you can see. Tesla, $5,000 position at 220. Just so you can see it.
No, I never.
But that's what I'm saying. Like, you don't need big shares. Like, you can still make money. Like, I think that's like what discourages people. But you just got to keep building. No, Marcus, I would not be buying TSLL right now. Way too expensive. I'm going to show you on the charts why I don't like it. I am holding them down here. Let's go back to year to date. I'm holding down here at $220 per share. So that's why I'm...
Tell him to come hop in the voice. I sent the link in the disc.
I know. Marcus, you can hop in the voice, man. Hop in the voice. So here, right to there, 450. We're up 100% on Tesla. I would just be cautious. I'm not buying shares long term. And remember, TSLL does decay over time, and it's trading at $20 per share right now. So I definitely would not trading them at this point. I mean, year to date, the time to buy them when it was $6 during that dip. It's back up to 19. He's at work, man. He's trying to make gains. He's at work. He's getting paid at his job, and he's making money day trading. This guy can't lose.
QBTZ. RBTZ.
Hey, tell him we free.
Hey, I respect the hustle, man. There's nothing wrong with that.
No, I push my day back to 10 just for this.
Yeah, that's fair.
So I start my route at 10 o'clock now, just so that I can get the pre-market and the first 2 hours in.
Yeah, of course. Well, not everybody can do that, you know.
HOND.
Let's see here.
SES.
Damn, Morgan Stanley's 7%. Bank of America.
Marcus, I appreciate you becoming a member, man. Thank you for joining the WAP. You're gonna like it. I know you're gonna like it. I feel like, you know what I've noticed about this, Jay Young, about the WAP? If you look at, I can see the analytics of like turnover, and we haven't had anybody leave the WAP in like months. So I think it's very valuable. I think people are seeing the value in it, which is awesome.
DFLI.
CDT.
SES.
So it's so funny. I don't know. I love like looking at other people's YouTube channels. I mean, they charge so much money. $200 a class, this and that. It's crazy. I'd rather have just genuine people who are trying to make money. It's good stuff.
You like my indicator, even though I already know how to do.
Yeah, is that the Trading Simplified indicator?
No, this the
I'm just playing, dude.
smart money. Oh look, you want to see mines? Watch this. It took me forever to figure this crap
The
out.
Jay Young indicator. You gotta freaking patent that idea right there.
Watch this.
Let me see the Jay Young.
RGTZ.
PRHI. LGO. SVIIW.
Yeah, I'll be right back. I think somebody might be. Let
QBTZ.
me just make sure nobody's at the house. I'll be right back.
LGO. DFLI. IRBT.
SDOT. COOT. DGNX. DFLI. SOGP. PRHI.
RGTZ. SOGP. LGO. IRBT.
SDOT.
DFLI.
COOT.
BERI.
SOGP.
QBTZ.
PRHI.
NVTS. LGO. DFLI.
Sweet. Manning, what stocks you looking at?
PRHI. IBG.
See, look, this is what it looked like when you put it on the 1 hour. I got it to go on the 1 hour,
SANA.
so it's more of a swing indicator.
Okay, so you're rocking swing. Okay, but what is it telling you? Like, what'd you make the indicator do for you? You doing EMAs on it?
So it has a 20 EMA. It has an anchored VWAP. So hold on.
FLI.
So you got your 20 EMA. You could change it to the monthly, daily, weekly, quarterly. I usually put it on the monthly. Your second one is your Anchor VWAP. I usually have that one from quarterly, so from the earning. The hood is the table, the size, the background, the style, and then it basically just gives you, tell you the period, the price is below the daily high, below the weekly high, below the monthly high. It gives you the downtrend, the uptrend.
Dude, this is paralysis analysis, my man. You got 50 indicators on there.
No,
Nah, but it's more of a swing trade. I get it. Because you got the 1 hour on. It makes sense. Like, you're trying to get the long-term perspective.
yeah, this is more so for looking at the swing and then doing it for options.
Yeah, no, of course.
Now, for you, you can be like, man, what is all of this? But for me, I can look at it and see it's telling me, boom, my strike price would be, if I wanted to do the options, I would do a 185.
SANX.
So they will put it right about here. And then now I'm riding that up to the upside. So I will put my limit order in for the 185.
A PLM may resume in less than a minute.
Not bad. Hey, if it works for you, man, that's all that matters. That's the thing about trading. I think people don't realize is like you just gotta find, like, you gotta look at other people's strategies. You look at mine, look at yours, compare it everywhere, and then boom, see what works and go from there.
Algeva.
And then pretty much everything got short. See, when you look at it from the weekly or from the daily, it's because that's where I'm charting from. I'm charting from the daily.
I see, yeah.
So you got your lows, your lows, your lows. And so it pretty much looked like that. So that tells me, boom, we're in the uptrend still.
GNPX.
Yeah, I like that you're trading with the trend too. It's good to pay attention to that too, Like, you find the trend, whatever that trend is, go from there. Oh man, I got FOMO. I don't know why I was scalping. You know what it was? I think the reason I was so heavy scalping Nvidia was I just felt that if we rejected, you gotta trust your levels. So I felt like 183 broke. It started selling off lower. I was like, I'm gonna scalp it at the 181. We made a little bit of money. Could have made a lot more. RSI was low. RSI on the 1 minute was literally 21 on the 5 minute, and then the 1 minute was 10. So I knew it was go time, but I was cautious because I was thinking we're weak. We're trading below what we normally would. So it's all right. But at the end of the day, it's rejecting VWAP right now. So I need to add VWAP to because I have it on my Fidelity Trader Pro, but I realize it's not on this Webull account. It's so weird. I put it over on the Webull. I like reset it and it like got rid of all of my indicators, which is really just the 921 EMA and the VWAP. And that's really all I trade with, to be honest. But I'm struggling to figure out how the hell to add the damn thing. Here we go. VWAP. There you go. So we'll see. We'll see if it gets above VWAP, the shallow line.
Yeah, I'll be putting I put my VWAP from the decade. Where do you set your?
Just straight daily. That's it.
Even for your swings?
For my swings, I don't really use too much of for the swings, I don't use too much of what is it? How do I put this? Like swing trades, I'm looking at 200 EMA. 200, 100 EMA for long-term swings. Like, I'm looking on a year chart and putting up the 100. I'm putting on the 100 and 200 EMA.
Algeva.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Damn, so you waiting for it to get.
Yeah, like you bring up like 100, 200 EMA. You see, like, which one is it for that? But what chart is that? You got to bring up like a 1 year chart. You know what I'm saying?
That's NVIDIA. So you saying you put on your 200 EMA.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna turn the 20 and the 9 off.
Yeah, this is for long term only.
Yeah, that's what I pretty much.
So now go on like a 1 year or 6 month chart. Oh, the screen looks weird. Oh, never mind. I realize I can't see the whole thing. Here we go. Where is it? Is it the red one?
Yep.
Exactly. So usually, like, you gotta look at, what stock are you looking at? Oh, NVIDIA.
NVIDIA.
Okay, that's fair. Is that the 200? Put on the 100 as well. Put on both. Yeah, just make it something that you know you could just kind of quickly see what it is.
Yeah, that's what I always do with the
So
So you wouldn't buy until it gets down here.
So yeah, you see like how it's like I look at it as like a rubber band. There's two ways to play it. You can play it where it is bouncing, like you see where your arrow is, it's bouncing off that. The yellow and the white is your 100 and your 200, right?
RGTZ.
Right here. The
Yeah.
cross.
Exactly. Like that's where I'd be looking, not the cross, but just specifically as support. You'll notice that buyers will buy that as a long-term perspective. They look at the yellow line, they're buying, and the white line, they're buying every time it gets to that dip. It did dip below. Those are two areas. But there are moments that you do get those opportunities when you're trading it. I'm gonna see if I can find it on my Fidelity Trader Pro, just to make it a little easier.
Here's the daily. So you saying if I should have been buying.
Well, but there's no indicator there showing you to buy it there, though. That's the thing.
No, but I'm saying when you visually looking at it, you're waiting to get below the 20 and the 100.
This is strictly only big caps. So if it's like if it's a very big cap stock that has a lot of momentum like Nvidia, yes, because you will notice, I'm talking real companies. This only applies for companies that actually make money. So we knew that Jensen Huang, Nvidia, he was pumping it, he was meeting with other companies. When they're trading well below their 100 or 200 EMAs, they usually almost always retest that line. If they're like a Magnificent 7 stock. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
I mean, obviously, you cannot apply that to like XBAO or some penny stock or it's got to be like a real company that actually makes money every earnings, ASML, etc. Like that's what you're looking for. You're not looking for bullshit. You know what I mean? ASML is pulling back. I mean, not
It's
much.
crazy. Look, I just put the 20 and the 100, and I looked at BMN. Look where my lines are already at.
Yeah, see, it's like you're charting it, but it's already like it's like looking at like traffic lights while you're driving. Everybody respects them, you know?
Yeah, see, I've never looked at the 100.
Yeah.
I've always had the 200 on, though.
I mean, you got to adjust it to what works for you, you know? But at the end of the day, when I'm doing swing trades...
If I see that thing and it get above that 200 EMA, I'm like, bet, let's go.
Exactly, yeah. Look at Starbucks, for example, right? Starbucks, bring that up on a 1 year real quick.
GNPX.
RGTZ.
See, look at that. Rejection. Look, just think if you were shorting this on a long-term trend. Look at the top. Look, I mean, yeah, it gets above it, but look, it keeps rejecting it, right? That arrow, the one to the left, you can see it. It's literally rejecting it each time, right in the middle. It's hard to do it because I can't touch a screen, but if you move a little bit over, you can see where it's starting to reject the yellow line. It rejects again. It rejects again. It just, there's, right there. See how it's going above? Right there. Stay right there. You were just on it. In the middle. Keep going. Right there. You see how it rejects? And now it's sold off right below that yellow line, comes back up into it, and then you're up right there. And then look, they're buying puts. They're buying long-term puts on all of these spots. Because it's literally, it's rejecting that yellow line every single time. That's why I like to use those, because you can see the patterns. You know what I mean?
Right.
So, I mean, that's just something to think about. I mean, it doesn't mean it always works, but if you're trading long-term, you're trading big caps, you know what I'm saying? It's like, that's
you looking at this.
I like to see that to get an idea, general idea, you know? It doesn't mean this is where your expertise comes in. You're looking at overall market sentiment. You're looking at like what's going on. This is like we're discussing in the WAP. We can see it with the 100 and the 200 to get an idea. Is it continuously rejecting this? Because it's going to get rejected again if it is, or it'll be support if it's the opposite.
I'm on now. That's what you...
GNPX.
Right there.
Yeah.
I had to switch to the daily because I'm always on the 1 hour.
APLM.
ASML is pulling back. I'm trying to figure out if there's any news.
APLN. QNRX. CVUS. DFLI.
If you're looking for pennies, SOGP right now. I mean, this is not a long-term hold. This is you're in and out, and you got to follow stop loss for stock like this.
See, some of this stuff I don't be using a lot of this.
Yeah, like, did you notice? Like, I don't trade with a lot of indicators. Did you notice that?
GNPX.
Well, I'm just saying, even these drawings.
Because it gives you like analysis paralysis. You know, you don't want to do too much. Then you're like, oh, what am I looking at here? It gets confusing.
IRBT.
I'm gonna trade for another 9 minutes, and I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna work out in 4%. SFM, Marcus.
GNPX.
Sprout Farmers. You ever hear of Sprout Farmers as SFM, Jaeyoung?
Don't trade Sprout. That shit's horrible right now. They've been
SANA.
Well,
talking about Sprout in this market.
yeah. Well, mention it to Marcus because he's mentioning in the YouTube channel, and
Don't buy that shit.
well, you got to give him a real reason, man. I mean, they got earnings coming up on 10/29. They're down $182 down to 112. They're bouncing off the 100.
Look at this. Look at this chart, bro. I've been looking at this because I've been looking at options for them.
Hold on. I'm gonna tell him check out the Discord. I'm gonna say Jaeyoung breaking down SFM on Discord. Look at his screen.
ABVE.
Okay, I wouldn't.
GNPX.
QNRX.
Now, if he want to buy, if he want to buy an option on it and go long, buy a leap, then it makes sense. But
NBA.
because the red is your 20 or your 200, and then this is pretty much where you at.
QNRX vaulted to the upside.
QNRX.
DFLI.
You see that?
IRBT.
It's just been.
QNRX.
Look at QNRX, bro. Pharmaceutical. This penny stock is going to the fucking moon.
Bro, there's a lot of talk I've been seeing about pharmaceuticals.
QNRX.
Like just pumping.
Just people investing in AI with pharmaceutical.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Whatever. We'll keep it up for now until I can get. If there's any other freaking stocks to trade, Amazon. It's like in this like. If you look at Amazon, it's trading right here. Boom. It's in this wedge. When is it gonna get out of this wedge? I've been waiting for this thing to break for literally 40 minutes.
QSI.
Can't trade Amazon with this direction. It's like not doing anything right now.
QS.
Waiting.
Yeah, this is what your sprouts look like. I wouldn't touch this.
SERV.
You see that?
Yeah, I'm watching it.
QSI.
Now, I would say if you want to get an option and you want to ride that option for up to about there, then cool. But I guess it depends on what he's trying to do.
DFLI. FOSL. QS.
If you look at a monthly view, there's your monthly view right there.
ABVE.
It's a wave.
STI.
It's a red wave, baby. QNRX.
ANRX.
Okay, I'm up $1 on Nvidia.
APRBT to the upside. QS.
Man's making money. I'm watching Amazon finally potentially break this 216. Just waiting patiently over here.
Yeah, bro, see, that's why I wish
PLAG. QS. MVST.
I wish Active Trader Pro was good. You can't do
GNPX.
nothing like this on Active Trader, bro.
Oh,
Like,
they're
this shit-
they're so garbage. It's incredible.
I'm like, bro. That's the only reason I kind of like we right here from the chart.
Yeah, I literally, and now like they're switching it to Fidelity Beta, which you've been using, the Fidelity Plus, right?
On my phone. So I'm using it on my phone, and I'm charting on track,
GNPX.
but then I'm executing on my phone.
I see.
So once I go in and on Fidelity Active Pro, I can put my buy order like this, and then link it. So I'll be on Active Trader Pro, and I'll put my buy order in. Then once I want to go in my stop loss and set my sell, I do it from my phone.
FOSL.
GNPX.
That's a lot of work.
GNPX.
No, I can do it right here from I'm faster on my phone.
That's crazy. There's no way. I use the Active Trader Pro, and I'm in and out within 2 seconds.
See, but so you used to Active Trader Pro. I learned everything on Fidelity from my phone.
Yeah, it is true. Yeah, you're like more of a Robinhood trader, because like that's like exactly what a Robinhood trader would say.
TMBR.
But I don't like Robinhood. I don't think Robinhood stuff I don't like it at all. I'm like, bro, this is for fucking kids.
You know, it really is. It really is. Like the way they set it up is not that strong.
Like the setup of everything, I don't like it at all. The only thing I wanted from Fidelity was to be able to trade from the chart. You can do it, but I don't like how Active Trader Pro looks. And I'm like, bro, this is whack. Here, now that I just thought about it, hold on.
QNRX.
QNRX.
QNRX, I feel like it's halting again watching it. Oh, it's not halting. It's moving. It's just moving very weird.
GWH.
GNPX. QNRX.
Wow. I'm watching QNRX just day.
GNPX.
GNPX.
Can you see the screen still?
It says stream paused.
FOSL. SCRV. APOM may resume in less than a minute.
Amazon broke that wedge.
BACQ.
Yep.
Oh
Had some technical difficulties.
no, I was switching to entire screen. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
this is what it looked like.
hold on, watch
I
this
don't
one.
like that. And it's more so the chart.
FOSL.
And I think that's why I say I think just because I wasn't to Active Trader Pro at all.
Less than 10 seconds. US.
Yeah, it's fair.
GNPX.
And see, like this, even the indicator, the drawings, and all I gotta do, boom, you just put it from here, put your buy order, it pops up the screen. I'm like, bro, just do it from the screen. Why I gotta do all of this?
Oh yeah, it's annoying. It takes too much
I
time.
don't like it. Now I did find this the other day. Skip confirmation,
GNPX.
but I haven't used it.
US.
But I think this is what I've been looking for. Apply all new orders and replace other orders. I could just do it directly from. But see, on TradingView, I can buy my order. I can set the stop loss. I can set the stop loss. I can set the take profit. I can do it all from the screen.
Yeah, that's fair. You're a slower trader though. You're not trading as fast as I am. That's why it's like, you know, seconds matter when you're doing bigger positions.
ATMV may resume in less than a minute.
GQRNX just went from $19 down to 16 and just pulled back.
Damn, bro, look. I was looking at this morning. Right here. I had this up looking at Pat. Because we had been talking about it. I had this.
XPON.
APLM.
GNPX.
And look at it. That thing then got up to 17. Cause I was gonna put a contract on this.
Is it penny or this is a? Because penny is you're not gonna have any options on it, right? I mean, it's usually not too.
No, it's not a penny stock.
Oh, okay.
It's that robotic company.
Oh, I see.
Remember we was talking about it.
Oh, RR Ridge Tech.
No. Pat, UiPath.
Oh, that was a freaking miss and a half, dude. We literally called that out. Next day, boom, to the moon.
Yeah, that's what this one is. Cause look at it. Look at this monthly chart. Look, I'm like, bro, we had all of these stocks.
Well, we're hitting some of them. We can't get them all, you know. It's like Oz said. He doesn't have enough money for all the plays, you know.
But look, like this right here. This is why I thought about getting to 35 on the option. That's why I'm thinking about getting in. Like, damn, where's the Fibonacci on here? What's the fib?
TGEN.
CRMLW.
See, I don't even know what stuff is on here.
Guys, watch Amazon. Amazon's breaking 216. Let's see if it holds here. This is interesting. It might hold. I'm not sure though.
RGGTU.
I'm up 258 on the day. Boy, like a sniper. You boy like a sniper with these trades.
TG.
Yeah, see, they pumping this money in.
APLM.
Let me see. I might put a call. I'm about to put a call on there.
On who?
UiPath.
Oh, UiPath. What are they? Hold on. What are they trading? I'm focused on Amazon right now.
Right now they're at 16.98. I'm gonna do a $35 call
$35 strike,
NPX.
right here.
bro. That's way.
No. I'm gonna do a strike. I'm gonna do $8.
Oh,
But I'm looking to get out at 35 right here. Can you see my screen?
yeah. I see. I'm
Yeah,
very
right here.
very focused on Amazon right now. I see you.
Oh yeah.
TG.
Just be cautious. If you buy too far out of money, you get killed by theta.
I'm not. That's why I'm about to look at the chain.
I'm just making sure.
NBTS.
You should know about my what's the names now. I'm gonna be out.
I know you're firing away with the options. I will say you do fire. This guy is not afraid.
It's just easy because I ain't gotta really worried about it. Do that.
Guys, I'm not buying Amazon yet. I just scalped it, but I'm watching it. It looks like it wants to go lower here. I mean, look at this. Starting to sell off a little bit now. I don't know if this is just getting people out.
TGEN.
Let's see. I want to go out to December. They got earnings on December.
QNRX may resume in less than a minute. SCED.
Do 55.
SEED.
APLM halted down.
SANA.
What are you watching? You watching GRNQ?
Who, me?
Are you still on UiPath?
No, I'm putting this order in for you, okay?
QNRX may rest in 10 seconds.
It feels just like that.
Of course it failed. It wants the money.
Yeah, I'll show you what I was looking at.
STX.
This is what I'm looking at. Did you get out of Tesla already?
No, Tesla I'm holding long term, man. I'm just
I
sitting
mean,
watching.
not Tesla, Amazon.
Yeah, I'm watching. I'm watching the 215.
SGB next.
Just watching. I think it's worth a stab here at 215. I mean, it did have a bounce there, so potential here, but you got to be cautious. But I just love that they have earnings coming up soon, so we'll see. I got a feeling earnings, they're gonna crush earnings. I really believe that.
SDOT.
So this is what I do when I be looking at my. I
SGB
take the
next.
beginning, the high, the low. I box this in from that move. Because you know that's the support. I mean the demand zone.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
I boxed the monthly in because I know that's where that move actually started. So then now, all I got to do is do my lows,
COOT.
and then that'll give me what I need. And I can just go to the daily now,
SEED.
zoom out, and then basically this is what I'm looking at from here to there.
I see. I love seeing other people's strategies. It's sick.
But now when I'm looking at my options, what I'm doing is now I'm looking at that where I want it to go. So I'm playing from here. And then I'm looking for the next two main candles, which would be this one right here. That's what I'm looking at.
QS.
This move right here. This is because this is where it started.
As long as
It
it,
started coming back down. Right here, this is what it started at. This earnings right here ran up and then it came back down.
BZAI.
So if I just buy it and get it anywhere, I could play the 30 to 50 to 70% and get out.
QS.
yeah, guys. I'm scalping. Sorry, man. I'm scalping Amazon. We're up 529. I had to buy that 515.3, dude. I was like, I'm going in. Now hold on. What? I was a little distracted. What is that? What is that chart on though? What's the time frame?
This is the monthly.
Okay. See, I like the monthly too. I feel like the monthly gives you solid setups.
Yeah, because now I can know, boom, I get, this is my entry. This, we already know it turned around. It's starting to,
Less than a minute.
where can we go? This is still in between this big candle. So now I'm looking for the next one to get here at 19. And then I'm looking at this next one to get here at 20.
Yeah.
So all I needed to do is get from 17 to 22. And then I'll start looking to get out up here unless the trend keeps going.
I see.
But
Okay.
I'm playing 30, but I'm really watching this candle here. This move right here.
I see.
This,
Yeah, because that makes sense. So you're watching the big candle, watching down, and say, okay, this is where potential rejection point again.
yep.
AP on the same rest 10 seconds.
Yeah. It's
So then I'll just put my lines here at the top of that one. And then this is basically letting me know where I'm gonna pay attention to try to get out. And so now I'm watching it like that. And then once I go through and I get all my lines and I take everything off, and now I can see my full setup.
SHMD.
And then, like I said, that's the 20 EMA.
Guys, watch out with Amazon. It's rejecting the 9 and the 21 right now. It's rejecting the 9 and the 21. Be cautious.
SEED.
I don't know if anybody's even on the live stream at this point, but I gotta make sure.
And then there's your supply. And then intermain. And then the upper one is here.
AQMS.
Yeah.
ELM. QNRS.
That's what I be looking
Yeah, just to mess with Marcus, I keep sending the pictures of the gains.
at. He probably thought you was bullshit.
I know, that's the thing. It's like, but like honestly, Jay Young, if you look at my channel and you look at my WAP when you join, how could I fake any of this? You know what I'm saying? How the fuck could this be fake?
Yeah, because you wouldn't even take the time to have a walk, a Discord,
The hell's the point? You know?
TikTok. You're like, bro, you got everything except Instagram.
Literally, I know. Bro, I almost bought that fudge. I almost bought that. I'm gonna end the live stream. I'm gonna make it just for everybody again. I don't know how to. Actually, I don't even know if I can. I made it members only, but
ARCX.
oh, maybe it's not members only. I have no idea. We're gonna see. Participation. Let me end the stream. Boom.